you are very busy people, and so when we can find dishes that are easy, quick, delicious, and of course nutritious, then we like to get them in. And so I thought it would be fun to share with the community today. I heard sea salt, I heard black pepper.
Yeah, Himalayan pink sea salt,
Okay.
fresh cracked pepper. I like things spicy. I have some cayenne pepper,
Ooh, spicy.
and I always add more than what you think you'll need. She doesn't
That's gonna be
know.
hot.
And smoked paprika.
Ooh, yum.
That gives it this just makes it.
Paprika. I just love the way that sounds. Paprika. See.
And then we have classic mayo, but this is avocado oil based. I'll let you
And
talk
I
about
will
this.
admit, I snuck this one in because, back to my commitment, specifically for this month, but also as a lifestyle, a lot of mayos have soybean oil and or corn syrup in them, so read your labels. This one is made pure, clean, it is culinary nutrition approved, and it's made with avocado oil, which is one of our healthy fats that are brain supportive. So yes, it might be a little expensive, so hubby didn't love that part, but in the long term, I like to say it's actually less expensive because we won't have all those nasty doctor bills down the road because we are taking care of our health today. So, mayo, about how much more did you put in?
I have 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
I think you saw them. They're kind of heaping,
Okay.
so they're not leveled off.
Yeah.
And measure as you go. Some people like it a little bit creamier. Some likes it a little bit more thicker consistency or chunkier. So and then I just kind of toss it all together.
Sweet. Thank you, Consuelo. I'm so grateful you're still here. Always great to have your energy in the room. Thank you. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And I also like this one. I mean, we eat this magical tuna egg salad throughout the year, but especially spring and summer, now that it's getting warmer. This is a nice one where you can make ahead of time, whether you're making it the night before or over the weekend. And you pull it out of the fridge and it's nice and chill and delicious. And while he's mixing that up, I will just share, I do have this little side salad I made on the backside. Because oftentimes when Steve makes this salad, he will use it for a sandwich. And I try to avoid the carbs. That helps me balance my hormones and keep my energy up. But I love to play with it on a beautiful salad. So you can see I just did a simple spring greens. We got some garbanzo beans, some cucumbers, sliced tomatoes. And so this is going to be the bed on which I accept this magical tuna egg salad.
Yeah,
Just as a heads up.
gluten-free bread. I usually put a layer of spinach on it.
Ooh,
Toast it.
yum. So that adds the fiber. Good job. You get an A+ for the fiber.
And vitamin C.
And vitamin C. Oh, look at you.
So I pay
Somebody's
attention in this
paying
kitchen.
He gets bonus points. Good job.
So that is as simple as it is. I know that went
Oh.
quick. I did a lot of prepping in advance,
This is
but
what we want. You see how
It-
gorgeous that is? Yummo. And so, with that, we mentioned putting it on gluten-free bread for a sandwich. I also wanted to show how easy and simple and yummy it can be just to get gluten-free crackers. So these I found at Sprouts, but I believe they have it at King Soopers and Safeway. It's Simple Mills, made out of almond flour, and they're so delicious. If you, from my friends who like the crunchy, I know a lot of people are either team sweet or team salty crunchy. So my team salty crunchy, I'm not endorsed by them, but I just cannot talk highly enough about Siete products because they're grain-free, made with avocado oil, again, that brain-supportive oil, and it's just really delicious. So this is awesome, delicious, guilt-free snacking chips to go with your tuna egg salad. I've got the rice. Oh, that's right. I forgot the magical. Thank you, babe. I've got the organic rice cake, so this could be delicious for, again, if you want that crunchy texture. And also, we can't have a show with this guy and not mention Costco. We got this big box of multi-grain crackers, gluten-free and delicious. Costco's where it's at. They've got a ton of inexpensive gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free items. So I say, and I encourage you, keep your eyes open, keep looking. It really is possible to eat delicious and nutritious. And you saw how quick that was, right? All right, were you going to say anything before I check
Oh,
the
I was gonna
comments
say,
or
we
questions?
also. Tuna
Oh,
from
the tuna was from
Kirkland's.
Costco. That's right. Yep.
Gotta get the plug in.
I am just checking. Looks like Jill joined us. Hi, Jill.
Jill.
Always great to have you here. And oh, how could I forget? The Show Up Live bonus. Hopefully you see that in the comments right now. I will take that off of the comments when the show is over. So for you that are here live, thank you so much for being here. For that, my gift to you is a list of our healthy, sexy staples. I've never shared this with anybody outside of our healthy, sexy groups. So this is your gift. You don't have to give me your email. You just click the link. Bam, the download's there. So thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of our community. I'm going to check one more time to see if there's any questions or comments. Do you have any questions or comments, my love?
No, I enjoyed this. This was,
Oh, yay. We should do this more often.
Yeah, meet
Will
in
you come
kitchen
back
for
to the
lunch.
kitchen?
yeah.
Sweet. Well, if you like what you saw, this, consider joining our membership. I am so thrilled. We have Nourish, the membership. You go to michellefox.com/nourish. You'll see all the juicy details there. But it's a beautiful opportunity to get in at the ground floor as we build this membership, and you can help me bring in the resources and the people that you want to see. Meaning, I've already committed to do monthly group coaching sessions in this membership, but I also plan to bring in, I like to say, health adjacent or nutrition adjacent speakers. So we'll bring in one speaker a month there, but there's a million opportunities and activities that we can also bring into this membership to make sure that you have the support you need to get the nutrition in and to feel really good in your body. So, michellefox.com/nourish. Consider joining us. Thank you so much for joining us here for this lunch. I'm going to eat now. In fact, got the salad. One thing I forgot to mention is you can always play with sprouts, which are another amazing brain supportive food. Pumpkin seeds, more crunch to the salad. And then, can I have, actually you're here, we're here, we have time. Why don't we have a bite together? Oh, that is gorgeous. Yum. Thank you, babe. Here, you can have a bite too. Let's taste this. Let's see if it tastes as delicious as it smells and looks. I like it. You're like, uh-huh. That's when you know. He's like, he's got this one down.
Yep. It's a good staple.
All right. Well, I hope you love this as much as we do. And I sincerely hope to see you again soon, whether it's in the membership or here on Facebook Live. I am committed to being here every second and fourth Thursday of the month. All right. Have a beautiful day. Great to have you.